Hey everyone, Bradley tuning in, coming at you with another video. Today I want to share the 7 things people look for when they buy a house, and I want to let you guys in on a little real estate secret. So my name is Bradley, just to introduce myself. I'm an investor and realtor in the Greater Toronto area, and I like to do these videos every week to give tips and tricks on how to be successful in the real estate market. So I want to give this one to you today. Okay? The secret is this. People generally look for the exact same thing when they buy a house. Now this video is designed to share what those items are so you can compare it with yourself, but also to give some feedback as to what implications that will have when you go to purchase a home. So before we get started, the challenge to you is think of the things that you want, the must-haves that you have for your dream home, the things that you really want and desire in that property. And let me go through the list. There's 7. First off is an open concept, open space. This idea of the kitchen, living room, dining room, all being a common area where people can come and socialize. Has become a huge trend, and the majority of people are looking for that. Number 2 is the height of the ceiling. 65% of people prefer 9-foot ceilings over 8-foot. 9 or greater seems to be where it's at. Number 3 is the kitchen counter, the kitchen countertops, marble, quartz, and granite, but really the island. The island is the center of the kitchen. The kitchen is the center of the house. When we get a kitchen with nice stainless steel appliances and people around this island, it really is something that people long for and they desire when they're looking for a home. Number 4 is this idea of storage. You don't have to have lived too many places to recognize that storage can be a real challenge, especially with kids or working life and having a lot of stuff. Just a place to put things. So storage, pantries, or just clean design and ability to put things away. Number 5 is a large master bedroom, but even more than that is to have that full ensuite, a large ensuite. People really want this in their home. They are willing, in many cases, and it's kind of funny, are willing to sacrifice the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, so on, bedrooms in exchange for this space. It's so important. It really is a retreat for a couple or for an individual that wants just to get away from it all. Number 6 is natural light. We're talking windows, we're talking skylights. People love fixtures and they can be really nice, but nothing beats natural light. The more windows we can get, the better. Number 7, and just to tie it all in, we see that it really doesn't matter whether you're in the city or in the suburbs, people are really concerned with the view. This is talking to the balcony or talking to the backyard. People want a ravine lot or waterfront. Nobody wants to see a dude that's sweating pushing a lawnmower in the back. Everyone wants that privacy, that escape. So let me know how we did. Let me know how these line up with the things you're looking for in your home. Now, how does this all work together? Let me really, conclude this. People, after finding all of these items, generally will then jump to price. They'll say, you know what, I want to get a deal. All of these things considered, I'm looking for a deal. I think the challenge here is we really need to decide what is more important to you, having these must-haves or finding a deal. Because what happens is you're going to miss out. Now, what you can do, and people who really have the cost as a primary decision maker, my suggestion is to find the items that are fixed, the ones that cannot be changed, but recognize that you need to be willing to take on a renovation or update to have the other items included in the property. And this really is a tangible way to look at these homes. Just realize that people are generally looking for the same thing. You're not alone out there. Call it HGTV, call it just a lack of imagination, but people are looking for generally the same thing, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. We'll leave it there, guys. I'll see you next week. Let me know if I missed anything. Anything that you can think of on the home that you say, you know what, I need to have this item. Or like I said, if you know someone who says, you know what, to hell with conventional homes and designs, I know somebody that really has a different take on the whole concept of building a home. I'd love to hear their feedback as well and get the other side. We'll leave it there. See you next week, guys. Take care and keep it real.